Hello, and welcome to our channel, Top 10s You Should Know. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why you sometimes feel tired, moody, or stressed, even when you think you're doing everything right? The truth is, it might not just be your lifestyle. It could be the everyday items around you silently messing with your hormones. Hormones control everything: your energy, mood, sleep, weight, and even how sharp your mind feels. And here's the kicker: some of the most common products in your home or daily routine could be quietly throwing your body out of balance. Today, we're diving deep into the top 15 everyday items that affect your hormones. Some of these may shock you because they're things you probably touch, use, or even eat every single day without realizing the damage they're causing. Let's uncover them together. And more importantly, let's talk about how you can protect yourself. 1. Plastic water bottles. Plastic bottles might seem harmless, but they often contain BPA, bisphenol A, or similar chemicals like BPS. These are known as endocrine disruptors, which means they mimic estrogen in your body. Imagine your body's delicate hormonal orchestra suddenly having an out-of-tune instrument. It throws the whole rhythm off. BPA exposure has been linked to infertility, weight gain, and even higher risks of diabetes and heart disease. And here's the scary part: heat makes it worse. Leaving a plastic water bottle in your car on a hot day? That heat causes more BPA to leach into the water you drink. The solution? Switch to stainless steel or glass bottles. They're reusable, safer, and they keep your water tasting fresher. It's a small swap, but over time it can make a massive difference in balancing your hormones. 2. Non-stick cookware. Those easy-to-clean non-stick pans? They often contain PFOA, perfluorooctanoic acid, and other chemicals that can mess with your thyroid hormones and reproductive health. Over time, these toxins can accumulate in your blood, creating a slow, invisible disruption to your metabolism and energy. What's worse, when non-stick pans get scratched or overheated, they release fumes you end up inhaling. It's like inviting poison into your kitchen without realizing it. A healthier option is ceramic or cast iron cookware, which not only avoids hormone disruption, but also lasts longer and cooks more evenly. It might require a bit more care, but your thyroid and reproductive system will thank you. 3. Processed meats. Bacon, sausages, and deli meats taste good, but are often loaded with nitrates, preservatives, and hormones given to the animals before slaughter. These additives can disrupt your body's natural estrogen and testosterone balance, leading to fatigue, mood swings, and even fertility issues over time. Imagine putting artificial signals into your body every morning with breakfast. It adds up. If you want to protect your hormones, choose grass-fed, hormone-free meats or plant-based proteins instead. You'll still get the protein you need without the hormonal chaos. 4. Air fresheners and scented candles. That sweet-smelling plug-in air freshener or candle might be making your home smell inviting, but many contain phthalates, which interfere with testosterone and can affect reproductive health. These chemicals get into the air and are inhaled into your bloodstream, where they quietly disrupt your endocrine system. The safer choice is essential oils or soy-based candles with natural scents. Not only will they protect your hormones, but they also provide a more authentic and calming aroma. 5. Receipts. Believe it or not, that receipt you get at the grocery store may contain BPA. Every time you touch it, the chemical can be absorbed into your skin and enter your bloodstream. It might seem minor, but considering how often we handle receipts, the exposure adds up. If possible, always choose digital receipts or wash your hands thoroughly after handling paper ones. 6. Tap water. It might shock you, but your tap water could contain trace amounts of chlorine, fluoride, pesticides, and even pharmaceuticals that affect your thyroid and reproductive hormones. While municipal water is treated for bacteria, it's not always filtered for hormone-disrupting chemicals. A good water filter can make a world of difference in protecting your health. 7. Canned foods. Most canned foods are lined with a resin containing, you guessed it, BPA. Over time, that BPA can leach into your beans, soups, or vegetables. Even though it's invisible, you're ingesting chemicals that mimic estrogen every time you eat canned goods. Opt for fresh, frozen, or BPA-free canned products to keep your hormones in check. 8. Laundry detergents and fabric softeners. These often contain synthetic fragrances and chemicals like nonylphenols, which are known hormone disruptors. They stick to your clothes, meaning your skin absorbs them all day long. The fix? Choose eco-friendly fragrance-free detergents, or even make your own with natural ingredients like baking soda and vinegar. 9. Skincare products. From lotions to sunscreens, many skincare products contain parabens and phthalates, which mimic estrogen and disrupt your hormones over time. Because your skin absorbs up to 60% of what you put on it, these chemicals sneak straight into your bloodstream. Look for labels that say paraben-free and phthalate-free, or switch to organic skincare brands. 10. Microwave popcorn bags. That buttery smell? It comes with chemicals like PFOA, the same one used in nonstick cookware. These chemicals seep into the popcorn when heated, creating yet another source of hormone disruption. If you love popcorn, air popping your own kernels at home is much safer and actually tastier. 11. Cleaning supplies. From all-purpose cleaners to sprays, many contain triclosan and other toxins that affect thyroid and reproductive hormones. Because you inhale the fumes while cleaning, they go directly into your bloodstream. Switching to vinegar, baking soda, or natural cleaning brands can protect your health while still keeping your home spotless. 12. Fast food wrappers. You probably never think twice about that shiny paper wrapping your burger or fries. But here's the scary truth. Many fast food wrappers contain chemicals called PFAS, also known as forever chemicals. Why forever? Because once they enter your body, they stick around for years, disrupting your hormones and weakening your immune system. These wrappers are designed to be grease-resistant, so oils from your fries don't soak through. But the trade-off is exposure to harmful chemicals that can mimic estrogen, interfere with thyroid function, and even affect fertility. The crazy part? Even if you toss the wrapper quickly, tiny particles can leach into your food, especially if it's hot. Imagine biting into a greasy cheeseburger and unknowingly swallowing chemicals that silently mess with your endocrine system. 13. Toothpaste with triclosan. You brush your teeth every day, thinking you're keeping your body healthy. But what if your toothpaste is sabotaging your hormones? Many mainstream toothpaste brands used to contain triclosan, an antibacterial agent marketed as a way to fight plaque and gum disease. But studies show triclosan can act as an endocrine disruptor, lowering thyroid hormone levels and interfering with reproductive health. Some research even links it to increased risks of antibiotic resistance, which makes bacterial infections harder to treat. The problem is that your gums are highly absorbent, so when you brush, small amounts of triclosan can enter your bloodstream directly. Over time, this daily exposure adds up, quietly messing with your body's natural hormone rhythms. Even though many brands are phasing it out, some still contain it, especially in antibacterial products. The good news? You don't need triclosan for clean teeth. Fluoride, regular brushing, and flossing are enough. 14. Processed snacks. Chips, cookies, and packaged snacks often contain preservatives, artificial flavors, and trans fats that interfere with insulin and appetite-regulating hormones like leptin. That's why you feel hungry again so soon after eating them. It's a hormonal trick. Switching to whole food snacks like nuts, fruits, and seeds will not only fuel your body, but also help stabilize your hormones. 15. Birth control pills. Surprising one. Now, this might surprise you. While birth control pills are prescribed for regulating hormones, they can sometimes create long-term disruptions in natural hormone production. Synthetic hormones alter your body's rhythm, which may lead to side effects like mood swings, fatigue, or lowered libido. Always consult with a doctor to explore natural alternatives or lifestyle adjustments that may reduce the dependency on synthetic hormones. And there you have it, the top 15 everyday items that affect your hormones. It's eye-opening, isn't it? The very things we use to make our lives easier, cleaner, or more convenient might actually be the same things silently working against our health. The good news is, with awareness comes power. Small swaps, like switching your cookware, choosing natural skincare, or filtering your water, can create massive improvements in your hormonal balance and overall well-being. So, which of these items shocked you the most? And have you already made some of these swaps in your life? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts.